Hello, everyone. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing good. We're here at the market. Um, I recorded my video for the series. I'm excited. I'm gonna edit it and get it ready. But right now it's market talk. Trump tacoed. Very early. Uh, Stocks are back to equilibrium. This is good and bad. I don't know if the market will be giving opportunities today, but we will open everything up and see what happens. Okay. So, who is a good? Oh, excuse me. Okay. It was a good yesterday we had a nice rally in the morning which didn't sustain, and then we like printed all like we basically printed a new low, then we chopped, and then out of nowhere they found out there was like a agreement with Greenland, and we ripped higher, and now we are even higher. So okay, great, let's talk about that. So here on the 1 day and 1 week, yeah, so that reaction right back to the range. um yeah, I don't know why I yawn. Like I slept well, but okay. Um, so yeah, nothing here crazy. Just we're in the middle of the range. EMAs. Let's see. I think VIX will be exhausted, so probably below 15. Yeah. So VIX is low again. Yeah, it's gonna be choppy. It's gonna be not the best price action. So I'm gonna be risk off. I really think that it will be a no trade day. If anything, maybe a 10-point trade. But I have to be careful and risk off just because we're back in the range. We had PCE get released today and GDP. Let me take a look in that. Oh, hey, Scott Brown. How are you doing today? So I'm gonna go here. Okay, oh, PCE is coming at 10 a.m. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, different. PCE coming 10 a.m. Okay, so yeah, so okay, interesting. So we're gonna see PC at 10 a.m. So that's wait, did it get pushed back? No, this is next week. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, 10 a.m. GDP came in as expected, a tick higher. Initial jobless came in lower. Okay, nothing crazy. So get this on MNQ. Yeah, so we're gonna see what PCE does. I don't think it's gonna be anything shocking, but it may add some momentum to a direction. So now let's look at the 1 hour and 4 hour. So yeah, here we had a pullback, consolidated, pushed higher, and I want to see. Yeah, so we cleared this whole gap. But ES still has to clear the gap. It just had front run the wick test basically. Oh yeah, it front runned it, and yeah, it still needs to clear this gap. So that could be a point of interest? Okay, so now the 15-minute, 30-minute. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Yeah, okay. Let's look at the 1 minute, 5 minute. Okay, so here, gonna, okay, we have a valley area. Log in real quick. Yeah, we have, yeah, we could front run it. I mean, yeah. But yeah, okay. So ES has like more of a directional bias towards up just because like the gap and the valley area, but it doesn't have to happen. I'm gonna have to zoom in just because the market's not gonna move as aggressive. Okay. Complete divergence. This kind of just cleared yesterday's valley area, but then led, made a new high, and then we had a new low printed. Buyer stepped into VWAP. Okay. Okay. God, too many things here. I'll keep this here for now. Yeah, I bought this thing for like my shoulders. I never use it. Yeah, unfortunate. It would be nice to use it. Just like I don't know. I feel uncomfortable with at my desk. Like I can sit, but like this area, I put too much pressure on when I'm like typing. So it's not fun, but I just gotta deal with it. But I don't know how to like resolve it. I don't know what it is. Like I have my computer at an incline, but that's just because it's easier on the eyes because like my I have like three monitors above which are higher. Because before I had to like aim my head down and like now I don't even have to. I mean I still do, but like it's really light. So on the on Bookmap, like we have a little bit of liquidity sitting at 700 or like 699. Um, yeah, we're taking resistance off VWAP. We do have liquidity lower too at 627. 627 is all the way at the low. Okay. Uh-huh. I generally think we can consolidate till 10 a.m. Very possible. Where we're consolidating right above the high of yesterday. That was clean. I literally was just about to say, it looks like because sellers keep getting absorbed, but we keep on printing new lows, and sellers just like broke the floor. That was aggressive selling. I was just looking at the order flow. Um, we have liquidity at 600, but I think they got moved. They got moved from 627 to 600. Clean sweep. Sweeping a bit of this stuff. Buyers coming in, but coming in quite weak. Looks a little bit weak. Okay, buyers stepping in. Okay, I don't hear any audio. So I'm just not gonna play it. I mean, it does say you guys can hear me, but I was gonna play some stream bits, but I guess not. Got an EMA right here. Do you like the trade to play to Valeria? Mm. Hmm. It's just gonna play. I hesitated, but yeah, that just played. I don't know, I'm hesitating for these trades just because I'm like, what if it doesn't play? That's okay. It's okay. That was a good setup. I just I was like EMA, we're breaking lower, but I just feel like it was gonna be too easy. But it played out very cleanly in one move. POC is far. I don't think we're gonna get there. Low volume node here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy with the hesitation. Just because, you know, that could have been burned. So I'm not complaining. And more trades come. Just gotta be careful. I don't think I can play that. That's too risky too. Well, actually, let me see my risk. It's just low volume node. Just wondering how I want to play this. I could play it like this, yeah. Okay, I like that. Some spoof orders here. Need to wait. Five seconds left. I want to see a bigger pullback, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. We'll see, but it doesn't look like buyers are gonna come back. I don't think so. Okay. Another trade what played out. Putting a low volume node too. Hmm. Yeah, I just played that low volume node. Hmm. If we get a pullback and continuation, that'll be good. I'm hesitating on these trades, but I think I need to see greater confirmation. Stop is a bit too tight. It's too tight. Hmm. A little bit weak. Trying. It's the same structure I saw yesterday. Yeah, that was nasty. Oh, wow. I did have two trades I could have taken. Could have waited till 10 a.m. Ah, same structure though as yesterday. Okay. I'm just trying to understand, like, okay, the hesitation on the earlier trades. I hesitated here because of EMA. Then I hesitated here because I didn't, like, it just felt too quick, too soon. Hey, oh no, sorry, it's this candle. Damn it. Okay, it is what it is. Let's just walk away as we're supposed to be doing. You know, at the end of the day, I protected my downside pretty well here. I just don't know. I'll probably be slipped. My loss is probably gonna be big, just because of this candle. And I did move my stop a little bit. I think I added like 2 points of risk, just because I had to like keep it with a little bit more room. It was very difficult to keep it there. Um, what else? So this low volume node was filled. Um, yeah, this played out really well to that low volume node. Yeah, I could have also kept my trade to 10 points. Did it run up 10 points? No, I don't think so. I entered here. No, I don't think so. No, I think it ran up like maybe 4 3 points. It didn't run up a lot, so that's something. So yeah, I don't know. Just feeling weird about like the hesitation here, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna try to learn from this because I'm okay with the hesitation, especially because I'm coming back in slowly. Um, but this costed me because I this trade was okay. This one was a bit too quick, and I just didn't trust it so quickly, you know. But that's okay. Like it played out really cleanly. This trade I could have taken. I just again EMA, so I don't know. But this one I think too confident about. So you can see how my brain avoided these ones, but then took this one just because I feel like because I avoided those two trades, I kind of tried to recoup it with this medium trade. So yeah, I think that's why I'm a little bit salty. But let's look at the loss together. I think it's gonna be like 2200 because of the stop order. Probably gonna slip me hard. Ooh, maybe not. Let's go. Okay, I was not slipped hard. Thank you. Very grateful for that. Very, very grateful. I was slipped like just how much? Like maybe 1 point? Not even. Oh, that's great. Can't complain. Really thought I was gonna get slipped hard. Cause like I swear to God, being slipped is what's costing me. But it's just a part of doing business. I'm okay with it. But I'm really happy with that. I'm grateful. You know. I think this loss, it taught me something about hesitation. I'm happy with it. I think today was a good learning lesson for that. Um, but yeah, no, very little slippage. Very happy with that. Very, very happy with that. I'm just shocked. How did that happen? Like especially on that trade. I think I know why. There was hesitation on EMA. And that's exactly where I kept my order. So that was a really good stop placement. So I think that's the pro of that trade. The stop placement was right. Um, yeah, but hesitation because I could have taken those two trades. One of those I've been green. But this is okay. I am chopping around, honestly. Like what I mean is like I'm not really getting traction. Like last week was rough. It was a negative 2R. This week we're still green. But I need to like really like tomorrow's Friday. Okay, so I mean tomorrow's the last day. I need to just I don't know because I tell myself I'm gonna slow down, but then I start hesitating. So that's the problem. Either I slow down and I hesitate, but that should not be like the problem. It should just be like, hey Zaki, I'm gonna slow down. Let's do it. Like that's the type of commitment I need. Um and yeah, just I guess it's like it's just simply a loss. I'm not upset with the trade, to be honest. It's not the worst trade. I think I'm just upset with the I think it's just a loss aversion, simply. Like my brain is like, you had those two trades you could have taken and I didn't take them and now my brain is focused on them because I took a loss. But at the end of the day, I think the main lesson is just that I hesitated on those trades. Um and I need to I need to work on that. Like, I need to trust the process again. And I think it's because last week my brain felt too convicted into the trades, and then it was like kind of rewiring, being like, okay, no, we need calm conviction. We need more confirmation. And now my brain is doing that. Now it's costing me. So I need to find a little healthier balance. But I'm gonna take it slow and again just try to improve. At the end of the day, we're still green. I'm very grateful for this loss. Could have been a lot worse, trust me. I could have been slipped like another $500 to $700 easily. So I'm very, very grateful for that. Very grateful. Um, and I'll take it and I'll walk away and I'll show up tomorrow with a calmer mindset, better execution of my trades. Um, Today, I saw that, I needed that. Okay. Okay. I think that's it for us guys. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. So I'll see you all.